change organizations have
emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at bagyong Ondoy.
Kagawad, I'm Midshipman Garde from John B. Lacson Colleges Foundation, Bacolod, and I live here in Isisi Villas, Barangay Lihis. So, Kagawad, we're here today in Barangay Lihis so we can ask you a few questions about the environmental issues here in our barangay, Kagawad. So, Kagawad, first, may you introduce yourself, Kagawad, your position, and sa barangay, Kagawad?
I'm Kagawad Wilfredo Gamay Brico. Number 3, Kagawad. My committee is Purok. Committee is General Services, Infrastructure, Finance Committee.
Yes, Kagawad. Kagawad, first of all, we'd like to ask you about the waste management here in barangay. So, Kagawad, how is solid waste managed in the barangay? Are there any issues with garbage collection and disposal?
So far, may IPM tadi nga nagapangulikta sa barangay gidya Saturday and Wednesday, sa highway every day, and sa mga small road may amon gidya sa barangay nga sulit nga panguliksyon po so.
Barangay ang sa basura baylo 1 kilo bugas, Kagawad, ang bali mo man sa Kagawad sa
bali ang baylo 1 kilo baylo basura yan ay isang IPM project. Po ang barangay nag-coordinate lang ka report. Pabalos pamuluyo nga kinanglan basura ti puno niya para maka-avail ka mo rice.
So Kagawad said that the barangay's waste managed disposal, they include the 1 kilo bagas baylo sa basura. It means that 1 kilo of rice is equals to the how many sack of garbage that you distribute to them, and they will give you 1 sack of rice. Kagawad, about the water pollution, are there any sources of water pollution in the barangay such as industrial runoff, sewage, or agricultural chemicals? Kagawad, sa barangay may mga source of lasang water pollution kagaya sang lubog nga tubig, mga chemical nga mga substance nga gayempon sa atong tubig sa barangay, Kagawad.
So parang sa water may sampling kami na gina-test na sang sitel kung pwede pa magamit o hindi na. Kaya dire may area man din nga lubog, may area man din nga tinlo.
So ano mga solusyon nyo, Kagawad, nga para ma-preventa na, Kagawad, ang lubog nga tubig sa barangay, Kagawad?
So para kung lubog, stop na nga na namin ginatapangsyon. Kung sa ilay personal yang sa ila man lang yang pwede man lay pang bunyag. Pero sa dire sa barangay ga ask kami request sa basiwa na supplyan kami katungod subong short kita subong sa water. Agang amite yung naga-supply man sa among water. Every 3 days.
So according to the question about the water pollution here in the barangay, Kagawad states that they only share the water pollution here in barangay is the lubog ang tubig, which means the water is not very clear and not very purified yet, and so their solution is that they stop using the water unless if they want to use it to gardening for the flowers and plants, and also they make few steps on how to manage the water pollution. So Kagawad, about the air quality here in barangay, what are the main sources of air pollution in barangay? So ano ang mga main nga main nga gakatabo, Kagawad, nga may pollution sa hangin sa barangay, Kagawad?
Ang sa amon sa dire usually ang nagauling sa namin nagauling sa barangay di gina-stop na muna kahit ang aso sina makapahalit gigag ang nagapalanutod sa mga kilid-kilid na mga kwan gina-advise kami na sa mga balay nga report kung sa amon kay aksyonan na yun sa last week may ginaksyonan mo ito nga di sa Purok Manyag na stop lang Tapos i-report sa akon kung may kapanutod para nga na-prevent ang air pollution.
So, Kagawad said that the air pollution in the barangay is caused by charcoal burning sa uling. So, they made a problem step that they stopped that operation because it makes the people in the barangay not healthy because of the produces of the bad air quality of charcoal burning. So, Kagawad, about the deforestation and green spaces, has there been any deforestation or loss of green spaces in the barangay nang may mga illegal logging man sa aton barangay, Kap?
Sa last mga 2 years ago, meron pa. So, as of now, numor na kayo itong ginamonitor naman asa kang DNR, Pinroma Bacolod, gato din ito sa amon di sa barangay. Bawal illegal.
So, Kagawad states that in the past 4 years there has been illegal logging here in Barangay, and as of now there's no more illegal logging here because of the ordinance of there's a penalty fine if you've been caught. Binron Bacolod. Now, if you get caught deforesting, you'll be fined penalties. So, another Kap is what efforts are being made to conserve or increase green spaces? Ano mga inyo pamaagi, Kap, nga para mapalapad ang aton nga mga puno, mapadamo aton puno sa barangay, Kagawad?
Last year, 3 years ago, nagre-planting kami dito sa may Purok Sambag, sa may Purok Sires. Nagre-planting kami ito kag sa subong guro dagpo naman to. Ang sa may kasulod sa high extension na planting kami ito last year nga ako na dumit ko mga 10 ka puno subong dagdag po na
sa Riles, Kap,
sa may series Purok Series kadto sa Purok Libay.
So, Kap said that 3 years ago they planted trees in Purok Ceres, and as of now the trees there has been growing quite good because of the weather, but as of the index for today, and as of now here in barangay, it's also been rain, so that artists there are also growing there. So, Kap, another thing is I would like to ask you about the climate change adoption here in barangay. Ang paano nagaka-adapt sa mga tao ang climate change sa barangay. So, how is the barangay addressing the impacts of climate change, such as rising temperatures and extreme weather events? So, paano gina-survive sang pumuluyo, Kap, sa atong barangay ang extreme weather sa aton nga barangay, Kap?
Muna, so para ganun na ginapastop ginamo ng pagpanutod kay mo na mapapaguba sa natin nga environment subong tete kainit muna nga stop tagi ng mga panutod dapat matanom kami tre para nga maka-prevent sa climate.
So, Kap said that they stopped the burning of garbages and dry leaves here in barangay to reduce the more heat intensity here in the barangay, and also to reduce the air pollution that causes by the smoke of the burning of leaves and garbages. And they increased the capacity of tree planting here in barangay in order to produce more health and healthy oxygen here in the environment of barangay. So, another question, Kap, are there community education programs on climate change and its effects? Nang may mga community education man, Kap, nga sa climate change, kag ano ang ilang mga epekto, Kap, ang climate change, Kap, ano ang epekto nila sa aton nga barangay, Kap?
So, para nagatalang kami informasyon sa mga sa dalan para nga kung kay subong wala kami budget sa seminar para parte sa climate change sa barangay.
So, as of now, there has been no budget for the education of the climate change, but they progressing in order to solve the climate change in the barangay.
Balik natin sa mga buhat na amin sa mga siguro pag-alas.
So, Kagawad said that he taught the teenagers here in barangay to go home early, to have their friends at home. Because Kap was in Christian community, they taught the students about the good good moral, good rights and good good conduct. They teach the young fellows here in the barangay to become independent person and also to contribute in the community of the barangay. So, Kagawad, how are local businesses contributing to environmental sustainability? Ano ang mga business, Kagawad, sa aton ng barangay ka-contribute sa environmental sustainability, gabulig sila kap sa aton mga environmental So, Kagawad states that the local business here in the barangay, they send them a letter for help the barangay the project, and also the business are not, hindi man sila nalok sa ating barangay. They also want to help the barangay to become a better future for the community. So, let's talk about the governmental policies and enforcement. What local government policies are in place to address environmental issues in the barangay? So, sa ating mga local government policies, Kagawad, are in place to address environmental issues in the barangay. Anong mga environmental issues ang ginagawa rin sa barangay? Kagawad.
Kami sa LG, sport, sa mga environment na masunod na nangagat na isip sa mga inulo na pag-uwi. Hindi kailangan para na-environment.
So, Kagawad states that they want the community of the barangay, the people, citizens of the barangay to help the barangay also to sustain the good environmental here in barangay to prevent the bad environmental issues. So, Kagawad, are there any recent legislative efforts in improving environmental conditions in the barangay? Na may palang mga recent mga legislative nga gabulig sa atong barangay nga mga may ginatuyo dahil sila nga i-implement sa atong barangay para sa environmental conditions para mapamayo ang environmental conditions sa atong barangay na Kagawad.
So, para sa tambak ni Sinima, pag-block sa sa pangpalibot.
So there has been a few legislative coming in barangay to give seminar to the resident of the barangay to how to help the barangay, to how to contribute in the barangay to contribute about the good environmental practices and how to dispose their waste, how to prevent the flooding, and also on how to become a good citizen in their barangay. So, Kagawad, last question, what can you say to your barangay residents here in Barangay Liz to improve your environmental condition and how to become a good citizen? Ano man ba mo Kagawad sa mga kumuloy para maging mayo yung mga barangay, para maging mayo yung mga environmental, paano maging isa ka maayong mga kumuloy o Kagawad?
Sa kumuloy sa mga pakilis na nagaganda. Ay kung iwan naman ko, iwan na pala na ating paliboy kung magkita ng mga sa start sa So, Kagawad states that the barangay should have the barangay residences should have the barangay in order to implement and how to become easy and to make the barangay even more good and to make a better barangay a better place. So, thank you for your time, thank you for your effort, thank you for the opportunity that you've given to us for the future for the future of the barangay. May you continue to help the barangay, and we appreciate your time and effort for us. We learned a lot. We broaden our perspective. We appreciate all the efforts to the barangay Kagawad. One last question, Kagawad. What can you say to your barangay residents, your future, to the teenagers here in barangay, to the young ones in the barangay, what can they do to make the barangay better place? Marami na kami na gulo, benata, ang lapat yung sa kami natalo ba
So, I think that what's on implemented barangay be implemented as well to the young ones, to the fellow residents, although to spread the awareness to the people that they should have the barangay to improve and to make the barangay better. As Kagawad said, one for all, one for one. So, Kagawad, take your first time, take your time. So, once again, Kagawad, Wilfredo Gamay Puipo. Thank you, Kagawad.
My name is Jordan Disogro from John B. Lacson Colleges Foundation. And today, I'll be asking her name. Barangay Alice. May I ask a question? What are the problems about the environment in Barangay Alice?
So far, ang problem dito sa atong solid waste. Kapin pa, ang atong mga basura, wala ginabutan sa proper place. Maski diin lang ginahaboy. So, may mga layila ta subong, may mga penalties kita regarding sa atong mga basura. Hasta ang mga road clearing, kinanglan na ay subong ka, nagdagdag ang DILG regarding sa atong road clearing. So, tanan-tanan ng mga hilit-hilit, basta sa along the gutter area, kakas. Basta mga windows, kakas din sila.
So, how will you be solving this problem?
So far, yung matamat kami, di pa naog kami para sa itong may ano man namin nagkakapot na sa solid waste. Sa atong clean up drive. Isubong harap sa likod ang clean up drive. Sa likod ara sa subong clean up drive. Ako ari ko sa road cleaning. So every afternoon, nag-pull out kami kapag katuan ng along the highway ng mga sa gabas sa dalan hasta nga dapat itumit ang mga salakyan. Kasi gaano mo nag-cause na sa traffic.
So far, I'm going to question. Thank you.
Salamat.
It's good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true.